Welcome to Energyweb. I'm Stella. Energyweb manufactures renewable energy products. We also provide turnkey energy project solutions. Our products include roof insulation and geyser blankets, which we manufacture at our plant in Roslyn. We also manufacture and supply biogas and solar tanks for the past 10 years. Our projects include solar and biogas installed for schools in Gauteng on behalf of Cummins. These projects won global awards for sustainability. We have also installed various solar PV commercial plants. See our YouTube channel for additional content and feel free to engage with us.
Thank you.